You won't believe what only $95,000 can buy you in the picturesque city of Louisiana, Missouri.
Well, welcome back to Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin here on our Restoration Nation. Do we have a magnificent treat for you today? We are in Louisiana, Missouri, sitting on a bluff overlooking the Mississippi River, just a picturesque town full of historic properties. And today we are taking you on a tour of the Browley residence, built in 1871 by Dr. Browley and his family. This home is literally the perfect fixer-upper dream for someone wanting to take on their first historic rehabilitation project. And let me tell you why. That is because the current owner purchased this property in 2004, and since that time, she has undertaken a massive rehabilitation project of all of the major systems of this home. So this home has all new HVAC, all new electrical, all new plumbing, new roof, new foundation. It is ready to go for you to come in and add your finishing touches to make this a beautiful historic piece of artwork for you and your family to enjoy. So let's take a look around the house and see the original details that still remain. So let's take a look at some of the amazing architectural features that remain in this house. Now, this mantle is glorious, true, but not an original mantelpiece for this home. The original mantelpieces more than likely would have been cast iron. There is one extant in one of the other rooms. We'll see it here in just a little while. Probably would have been cast iron mantelpieces in each of these main rooms, but this is a great piece. No reason, it's of the period, no reason to change it if you don't want to. I do want to point out that the current owner has had all of the windows professionally restored in the home. So even that detail is already taken care of for you. Let's take a look at what we have right here. So you probably noticed from our exterior shot that the double portico on the front is currently missing. It's right here. All you have to do is repair it, have some replica pieces made, and return it to its original position. You cannot miss the fact that the walls in this house are 9 inches thick, made of brick. Here you can see those 9-inch thick walls I was talking about, and each doorway has its original casing with faux bois painting. It's all extant. Please look at this stairway. Beautiful, complete, newel post, handrail, balustrade, it's all here. Initially, when I first looked at it, I thought it was solid mahogany. I think now we have a mahogany base with a walnut top. So exotic rare woods used in this beautiful entryway. You'll see here, this is the back door that would have accessed the rear portico. We see again that central hall design where we're still using the ingenuity of Victorian air conditioning. The wind, the breeze pulls through, the breeze off the Mississippi, through the entryway, up through this chimney-like structure with the stairway, cooling the entire house in the hot summer months. Let's go into the main parlor.
Well, I'm excited. This episode is brought to you by Toodaloo.
Toodaloo. How great is that for the name of the company, right?
I need
Toodaloo.
you to see this packaging. Toodaloo is an amazing trail mix. You know, we're always telling you about how when we're doing restoration work, we get hot, we get sweaty, we get exhausted. I have blood sugar issues. We get hungry.
We need the energy. We need the protein. We need
adaptogens.
These things are brilliant. Lane has known about adaptogens for years.
Ever. So every day of my life, I take turmeric, reishi mushroom, lion's mane mushroom, and turkey tail mushroom every day. And I take it in supplement form at night before I go to bed. Well, guess what?
get them right here.
They're
with
all in here.
A delicious trail mix.
Yes. So I'm gonna try my Toodaloo. This is
Tell them what flavor you got there.
Slow Your Roll, which again, I just need a t-shirt that says Toodaloo Slow Your Roll. Sweet maple mix. It has sprouted nuts. This has the reishi mushrooms and ashwagandha in it, which is, those are all things I take all the time anyway.
Look them up. You will want them in your life. Lane's known about these for years. She gets me to take these supplements. Oh my goodness.
It tastes like maple candy.
Okay, well I've got hot to try.
Yum.
So this is spicy. Spicy citrus to support gut health. You know I need gut health.
You do need gut health.
I love me some spicy.
Well, I'm gonna try this one, Turning Heads. Again, I just need a t-shirt that says Toodaloo Turning Heads. That's perfect, like Toodaloo. Oh, this one's chocolate. Oh, yummy.
Is that great?
Yeah.
I have Smoke Show. So
Oh,
this
you
is
want smoke
barbecue.
show. This is my smoke show of a husband.
That's why I
Eating
need the
smoke
t-shirt,
show.
right? Smoke Show?
Yes.
Okay, I've got barbecue here. I can't wait to taste this one. This looks, look at that, looks great.
Oh, that looks like something you love. Is it barbecue-y?
Really good. Okay, I love this. Look at my finger. Go to our link at toodaloo.com/restoration and use code restoration to get $5 off your first order. Each ridiculously tasty flavor benefits your body in a different way. So choose your favorite flavor and benefit from skin health, digestion, focus, and relaxation. Toodaloo is non-GMO, gluten-free, grain-free, plant-based, packed with organic superfruits with no processed sugars, and is carbon conscious.
They also have the OMG guarantee, which I love because they promise you if you do not think that this is the most delicious trail mix you've ever eaten, they'll refund you.
Toodaloo, our new favorite. Go to toodaloo.com/restoration and get yours today.
Toodaloo!
So the interior walls, as I've said, are 9 inches thick solid brick. The exterior walls are 15 inches thick and the foundation is limestone. So this home is going absolutely nowhere. All of the walls were originally plastered, and as you can see behind me, they were wallpapered from the very beginning of this home's life. Over here, around this trim, we can actually see where some of the original shellac has been slapped onto the plaster as the craftsman was applying the shellac, probably knowing that their wall was going to be papered, and so using slightly less care than would normally be taken. This is all shellacked woodwork, and the shellac is present and in really good shape. All it would take is some superfine steel wool, some denatured alcohol, and a little bit of elbow grease to get all of this woodwork looking like new. The dining room, you'll notice this beautiful large space has 3 doors with transoms, and these transoms are very unique in that they open outward instead of upward like we often see. Here is the original cast iron mantle that would have been in that front parlor, and on it we can see some of the original marbleized paint that's here, so we could probably do a nice sand blast and then have that recreated on this piece. Another gorgeous space. Something really interesting about this home that we don't see often in homes of this period are the closet space. We have closets in almost every single room of this house, so tons of storage in a home of this period. Let's look at the kitchen space. Well, here we are in the kitchen space, already plumbed and ready to go as a kitchen for you. All you have to do is decide where you want to put your kitchen and how you want to lay it out. These are some farm implements that were actually found in the barn that was present here on the property. It's since been demolished because the city said it was too unsafe to keep it standing. But this space, again, so much light, so large, tons of space. We have a pantry space here. Behind me, there's a small room that's been plumbed as a powder room. Now, if I bought this house, I would turn that into the utility room for the washer and dryer and put my powder room somewhere else, because I'm not a fan of a powder room right off the kitchen. But that's a personal opinion. Let's go take a look upstairs and see what you have up there. Thank you for joining us on Preservation Travels with Lane and Kevin here in beautiful Louisiana, Missouri. This gorgeous 1871 Italianate home can be yours for $95,000. The realtor's information and the listing description are in the description below. If you want to learn how you can take on a project like this, buy the home and finance your rehabilitation all in one loan, don't forget about our book on finance that can be found on our website, ourrestorationnation.com. And if you want to see us getting our hands dirty doing rehabilitation on our own historic properties, check out our series, Restoring Our Victorian. See you next time.